Hello everyone, myself Fayaz Ahmed and you are watching Fayaz Design Studio. Today in this video I will teach you how to convert an object of AutoCAD file to PDF. So here I have a room. I just want this object in PDF file. So for PDF I will press Control plus P, okay, enter. You just need to click here. Here you can see multiple options, okay. From here you will click here DWG to PDF, okay. Click here, okay, and you may see here we have multiple options. First I will click here window, okay. So I will select the area which I just want to make PDF, okay. Here you can preview. Here you can see the object, okay. So right click here and click on the plot on desktop. I just want to here I just want to give the name of tutorial PDF. Here you can see our tutorial PDF here. It's so simple. Same like this you may convert. Here again Control P, okay. Here you can make JPG and PNG like this too, okay. This is so easy way to convert DWG to PDF and DWG to JPG and PNG. Hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel Fayaz Design Studio. See you in next video. Thank you so much.